Cool. This is about moving the settings one level down. So if you have a project today in GitLab, there's a settings button. And then the settings button has all kinds of other things. And you can go to like CI/CD. But here we also have CI/CD. So I think it makes sense to have CI/CD and then have the settings under that so that everything is logically together. Because here's settings and then there's operations. But we also have an operation tab. So why not have the settings there as well? And then we have a project overview. Why not have like the generic settings in the project overview? So instead of having one settings here and then having kind of a mismatch between these and these, because they don't exactly map and that makes it pretty complicated. Why not, for example, why not have settings at every level and remove the settings thing here? So if you're here, you move into a certain item and there you have the project settings. And here I have the analytics settings. And here I have the packages settings. Please don't call them that, just call them settings. That would be the proposal. The worst outcome would be that you have a settings button both here and at all the lower levels. Like that would make it more complicated. I think right now what we have is a bit iPhone style. We have one big settings menu. I think iPhones are great, but I don't think that they nailed the settings part. And I think settings general, for example, like it's a whole bunch of stuff. And the general part has then additional things, right? Like, okay, if we have visibility settings, it should probably be under settings. If we have merge request settings, look, that should probably be under merge request or here under settings merge request, but it probably shouldn't be under settings general merge request. So I think this thing is kind of an indication that there's something wrong. And things like that, naming topic avatar can just be under the project overview settings, and then like merge request and merge request approvals can be under the merge request settings. So that's the proposal. Am I making sense? No, that's not a good way to ask. Any questions?
Makes sense to me.
I don't have any questions. Yeah, that's very clear. Much more clear than what the notes say.